Introduction to Facebook Mockups. In the world of social media, your brand's imagery is the first interaction point with your audience. Crafting compelling Facebook mockups can set the tone for your online presence and capture the essence of your message. Understanding your brand's visual language. Your brand's visual language is your signature. It's essential to align your Facebook mockups with this unique dialect. Consistency in color schemes, typography, and style ensures your brand is instantly recognizable across all posts and ads. Steps for creating engaging mockups. Step 1. Gather inspiration. Study successful brands on Facebook and Instagram. Notice the mockups that make you stop and engage. Gather these inspirations and note what elements make them effective. Step 2. Select the right tools. Various tools can help you create mockups. From graphic design software to dedicated mockup creators, choose tools that cater to your skill level and design needs. Step 3. Build your mockup. Start by laying out the elements you need: images, text, icons. Play with layouts and composition. Remember, a mockup should be a close representation of the final look of your post or ad. Step 4. Test and iterate. Create variations of your mockup. Test these versions with your audience or colleagues to see which ones resonate the most. Use feedback to refine your visuals. Step 5. Bring your mockups to life. Once you have a mockup that tells your brand story effectively and engages your target audience, it's time to bring it to life. Use this mockup as a blueprint for your actual posts and ad campaigns. Concluding thoughts on Facebook mockups. Creating mockups is an art that enhances the way your brand communicates visually on social media. It's about more than just aesthetics, it's about creating a conversation starter, a visual hook that invites your audience to learn more about your brand and what it stands for. Mastery of mockups is a step towards mastering the art of digital engagement.